Okay, Deborah Ward, our fabulous Irish realtor, who told us all the things to do. This is her first walkthrough of what we've started. Okay, look at Johnny's office first.
All right, let's have a look.
It's a little messy, but...
It is actually fantastic. There's nothing wrong with this. He has to work.
He has to work. Okay.
Has to work.
Okay, here's the front room. We have little girl area, couch from Colorado, and then a couple dressers. Now, how about our front room?
The front room looks amazing. It actually looks like a front room, which it didn't look like before. So the table I know is a temporary measure.
Yeah, the table's a temporary measure, but everything else is as we did. Now, let's go look at the dining room. This is the junk collecting area. And now, instead of a room full of crap, what do we have?
Oh my gosh, we have a dining room. We have a fabulous dining room. Look how cool it looks, amazing.
The red thing's gonna go in the craft room.
That's fine, and go in that far corner over there for sure, because it'll give a pop of color.
Because I did so much decluttering.
That would be an understatement.
Okay, this is the kitchen. Stuff on the counter. Definitely some stuff going and staying. The Christmas alligator I love, but the other Christmas stuff I could probably get rid of. There's a peninsula, a big island, and then a whole bunch of appliances. We were anti-appliances for a while, but now we have them all. Okay, we're coming into, let's do the kitchen first. We had the cabinets cleaned.
It looks amazing.
We moved everything off, doors on the pantry.
Wait, now, we moved everything off. We still have a lot of things on the counters, so we might have to stick them in presses.
You said we could live here.
You can live here, but you have a lot of things on the counters, and it's okay, but we'll talk about that. But I love that it looks like fresh and clean and everything else.
So this table is tall. We've had it for like 20 years.
This is the new dining room table space here.
You said to get rid of everything in this room, and we did.
And look at the difference.
Baby stuff. That's a nice dresser under the TV. I don't know if that's coming or not. Got a huge bookcase. Well, first off, I have shelves over top that are full of stuff. And then I have, there's the big. Oh, and tiny. And there's the old man.
This looks amazing as well. Absolutely looks amazing. So let me see from this angle. Yeah, I love the shelves, Tara. The bits and pieces on the shelves are gorgeous. Can we...
Well, yes.
Yeah, simplify that just a bit. I mean, actually, those flowers, the glass flowers, they're a nice pop of color. Even if you put the Christmassy things in the box or whatever.
No, we're going to put them away.
Oh, you're going to put them away?
Yeah.
It looks amazing. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? I can't even believe it's the same room. Like, this is crazy. So this is like insane. Wow. And they're all Legos, right?
Yeah. What's next is my piece de resistance.
Oh, what?
The horrible bathroom. Go look.
Okay, let's see what we have over
She
here.
scrubbed that with a toothbrush.
She did? Literally, did you take video?
Literally.
Oh my word.
Look in the drawers.
Look in the toilet.
Look in the toilet.
You might start cleaning pistons, Tara.
That's a new toilet. Though.
Hot. Okay, that looks amazing.
Look at the walls.
Yeah, no, that's unbelievable. That is unbelievable. So that was that there before?
Yeah.
It's super cute, like it
But you
pops
couldn't
color.
tell?
No, you couldn't tell because there was too
And
much
we got a
on.
new thing for
inside
it.
liner.
And a new Dealy Bob. And Eric.
Fixed. What did you fix for you?
The whole wall.
Oh, he did. Yeah.
And the new thing. Okay, now we have to go out front. So Johnny trimmed back a lot of the trees. I think he's going to trim these more. I don't know if we're getting a new light for there,
No,
but,
I don't think you need
but
new
we're
lights.
getting new lights for there that are modern. Have Johnny show you.
Okay, and then we're going to take down the mud daubers off the
Yeah,
front.
because I have to wash that window anyways.
Be careful, don't take a ladder out.
Yeah, I'm going to take the ladder out.
Okay. No, it looks great.
But isn't that
Yeah,
so much?
huge.
That's going to get thrown away.
Why?
That little side table, the big bench is staying.
Why are you throwing away the little side table? It's
I don't like
adorable.
it.
But it's adorable. You could put a little plant on it. It's very pretty. It's nice and near.
All right, I'll put a plant on it.
Yeah, don't throw that out. That's actually nicely staged, Pat.
He trimmed the lower bushes.
Yeah, I know.
All right, so Deborah Ward, is it getting better?
I will give you an A, maybe even an A+ for progress made. So there'll be one more circle round for the last staging prior to photos, which are booked, and then I think we're ready to go live.